Hello, everyone. Joanne here to share with you a final oil for Advent, a blend for love. When I was thinking about this, I thought about the John Denver song, Perhaps Love. I'd like to read some of the lyrics to you. Perhaps love is like a resting place, a shelter from the storm. It exists to give you comfort. It's there to keep you warm. And in those times of trouble, when you are most alone, the memory of love will bring you home. I encourage you to find this song and maybe reflect on it along with whatever readings you are doing for Advent in this week of focusing on love. So for this blend, it is a mix of 6 different oils. The actual recipe is available to those who are part of my doTERRA family, and I am happy to add you to the numbers if you don't yet have these oils. I'll tell you a little bit about what goes into this blend. Frankincense is the king of oils, the oil of truth, for there is truth to be found in love. Geranium is the oil of love and trust. Perfect for a love blend, don't you think? Lavender. What a lovely calming oil this is. It is the oil of communication, for we must communicate love both to ourselves and to others. Patchouli. This is the oil of physicality, of being connected to our bodies. We must connect with ourselves to find and share love. Roman chamomile, the oil of spiritual purpose, and it provides also a feeling of peace, something that hopefully you can find within your love for yourself and your love of others. And last but not least, ylang ylang, the oil of the inner child. There's something so pure about the love that a child shares that it just called out to be included in this blend. I'm happy to add you to the numbers of people with doTERRA accounts so that you too can have the recipe for this holiday blend. Thank you for taking time to learn about essential oils. Let me know which of the blends for this Advent season you've enjoyed most. Until our next series, goodbye for now.